Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you how you can create a carousel card slider using Bootstrap. Most of you have heard about Bootstrap, but for those who don't know, it is a library for CSS which comes with the pre-built components. You just have to copy the code and change according to the requirements. This is useful for making website quickly and also for making UI attractive. As you have seen in the start of the video that which kind of slider we are going to make. So without wasting any time, let's open VS Code editor and create here are two files with the name card.html and card.css. Now to link Bootstrap with these files, let's open Chrome browser and search here Bootstrap. Open the first website and this is the interface of official Bootstrap website. Let's click on the docs for further procedure. Scroll down this page and copy this code to link Bootstrap with our local files. This Bootstrap code contains link of CSS and JavaScript. Paste the code in the HTML file and remove this hello world. Now let's again open the browser and scroll the side navbar until components section. So here is the component section and you can see the carousel and card options here. Let's first open carousel. I will show you in a while that what carousel actually is, but for now click on the crossfade in the right side navbar. So here is the actual slider and that's how it is working. Let's copy your code from here and open the code editor. Paste it here and save the file. Start the live server and here is the result. Nothing appears here because we have not added any source of images, so that's why it is not printing anything. For the sake of your understanding about how carousel slider looks like, let me find some images. I am pausing the video to find different links. So I have added 3 images link and that's how our slider is. Looking cool, right? We can go to next image, can come back to previous image. Looking fantastic, but wait. Our final result will be something else, much more attractive from this. Let me remove the links and now I have key pressed Alt and clicking at the end of the images tag for multiple cursors. Let's remove it and I will add here a div with a Bootstrap class named cards wrapper. This cards wrapper div will wrap all the cards for one slide. If you did not get this point, don't worry, I will explain it later at right time. You can see the div with class name cards wrapper has been added. Now I will need the cards here, so let's open the Bootstrap website again. And at above carousel you can see the card option. Click on it, scroll down. I will use this card in the video. Let's copy its code and paste it in the VS Code. Remember that you should have selected multiple cursors so it can be pasted at each cards wrapper div. Save the file and open the browser to see its result, and here it is. You can see the card here. Let's paste the code of 2 more cards to make 3 cards in each slide. Now I hope you understood that why we have added cards wrapper class. Basically it is wrapping the 3 cards in it and we have 3 slides, so that's why we have used 3 cards wrapper div. More we go ahead in video, you will be clear about it, but if you don't understand any single point in the video, you can comment down, I will explain it in detail. Let's open the browser to see the result and here are the cards. We are not seeing the next and previous button because of white background. Let's open the code and at the end after the button tags we have span tag. Let's give it a background color of black. and also do same for this span tag. Open the website and now you can see the next and previous button. They are also working now, but due to the same content we are not feeling any difference. After some styling, I will add the unique content for each and will show you the fully working card slider. You don't have to worry. So also you can see the cards are in column direction. To make it in a row, we have to add some CSS. Open the code and here you can see our cards are wrapped in the cards wrapper div. So it's mean we have to target this class to apply some styles. Let's first link the CSS file to our HTML file. After linking, open the CSS file and write here .cards wrapper and set here the property display to flex. This will shift the cards in the row, as you can see here by opening the browser. Now we also need some gap between the atoms. So for this, set the justify content property to space evenly. This will evenly gap the atoms. You can see here. Now the things are making some sense. Let's also add some margin to make it more attractive. So I am setting the margin top property to 160px. Hope this will make things clear. Yes, you can see now the cards are looking good. Now we have to apply some CSS on next and previous button. Open the code and at the end where we have applied a background color to black, add there a class name of arrow. Do the same for both previous and next icon. Open the CSS file and target the arrow class. Set the border radius property to 50% and here is its result. Add the margin top to 160px, height and width to 30px and also padding to 15px. Now everything is looking fine. All we need to have unique content in the cards. So let's open the code and in the HTML file, set the title of slide 2 cards to title 2 and of slide 3 to title 3. So you can see a little difference while clicking on the next and previous icon. Here you can see the changing cards. Let me also add the image to make things more clear. Copy this URL and paste it in the first card of the first slide. Save the result and open the browser. Here it is. You can see our pool card. Let me quickly add for all the cards. And here is our attractive card look, looking beautiful and engaging. Let me pause the video and quickly add the images link for the rest of the slides and then we'll be back with the final design. So guys, it's time to see our final look of card slider and here it is. Engaging, attractive, fantastic and beautiful. Hope you can feel this excitement of changing the cards with crossfade animation. I enjoyed a lot while making this video and I hope you too. I am sure that you have understand how you can make a card slider using a Bootstrap. But if you still have any issue, you can comment down below. If you want me to make more videos on the Bootstrap, let's comment the topic below. I will make a video on it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.